When it comes to home improvement, energy-efficient windows are often overlooked in favor of more visible upgrades. However, for homeowners in Dallas, these windows can make a significant impact, not just on the look and feel of your home but also on your monthly utility bills and overall comfort. With Dallas's hot summers and variable winters, investing in energy-efficient windows is a practical step toward reducing energy costs and boosting your home's value. What are energy-efficient windows? Energy-efficient windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping indoor temperatures stable regardless of the weather outside. They achieve this through advanced materials like low emissivity, low-E glass coatings, gas-filled panes, such as argon or krypton, and insulated frames. These features reduce heat gain during summer and heat loss during winter, making your HVAC system work less to maintain a comfortable indoor environment. The Dallas Climate Challenge. Dallas is no stranger to extreme weather conditions. Summers here are long and scorching, with temperatures often exceeding 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Winters, while shorter, can still bring chilly nights. This constant fluctuation puts a strain on your heating and cooling systems, leading to higher energy consumption and increased utility bills. Standard single-pane windows or older double-pane windows often allow significant heat transfer, making your home less energy efficient. How energy-efficient windows save money? Lower energy bills. The primary benefit of energy-efficient windows is their ability to reduce energy consumption. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, homeowners can save between $126 and $465 annually by replacing single-pane windows with Energy Star-rated options. In Dallas, where air conditioning often runs non-stop during summer, these savings can be even more pronounced. HVAC longevity. By reducing the workload on your heating and cooling systems, energy-efficient windows help extend the life of your HVAC equipment. This means fewer repairs and replacements, saving you thousands over time. Potential tax incentives and rebates. Many energy-efficient home upgrades qualify for federal or local tax credits. Dallas homeowners may also find rebate programs offered by energy companies for installing energy-efficient windows, further reducing the upfront cost. Added benefits of energy-efficient windows. Improved comfort. Energy-efficient windows maintain a more consistent indoor temperature, eliminating hot or cold spots near windows. This creates a more comfortable living environment year-round. Noise reduction. The insulated panes of energy-efficient windows also reduce noise from the outside, a big bonus for those living in busy Dallas neighborhoods or near highways. Enhanced curb appeal and home value. Modern energy-efficient windows can boost the appearance of your home. Beyond aesthetics, buyers today prioritize energy efficiency, meaning these windows can increase your property's resale value. Choosing the right energy-efficient windows for Dallas homes. When selecting energy-efficient windows for your Dallas home, consider these key factors. Low-E coatings. Look for windows with low-E coatings to reflect heat and UV rays while allowing natural light to enter. Double or triple glazing. Multi-pane windows provide better insulation compared to single-pane options. Gas fills. Argon or krypton gas between panes enhances insulation by slowing heat transfer. Frame material. Vinyl, fiberglass, and wood composite frames are more energy efficient than traditional aluminum frames. Additionally, ensure the windows have an ENERGY STAR label and a high solar heat gain coefficient (SHGC) rating suited to the Dallas climate. Installation matters. Even the best energy-efficient windows won't perform well if they're not properly installed. Work with reputable contractors in Dallas who understand the local climate and building codes. Proper installation ensures a tight seal to prevent air leaks and maximize energy savings. Long-term investment. Although energy-efficient windows come with a higher upfront cost than traditional windows, their long-term benefits outweigh the initial expense. From saving money on energy bills to increasing home value, they offer a high return on investment. Conclusion. In Dallas, where energy costs can soar due to extreme weather, energy-efficient windows are a smart, money-saving solution. They reduce utility bills, enhance home comfort, and contribute to a greener, more sustainable environment. Whether you're building a new home or upgrading your current one, installing energy-efficient windows is a decision that pays off both financially and in quality of life. Don't let your money slip through outdated windows. Take the step toward a more efficient and comfortable home today.